What's up, guys? It's your boy again, Temple, back on another video. In today's video, I want to help you guys to know what is a QR code and how you can use a QR code inside your business. And I want to break down things that you'll never find anywhere that will help your business if you want to use QR code. And also, I just want guys to help you to know what works when you use a QR code and what's not. So in this video, I'm going to go through just 4 steps that will help you to understand what QR code is and how you can use a QR code in your business and what's working and what's not. So without wasting more further ado, I'm going to jump straight to my computer and show exactly what I'm talking about. So guys, we're here now where I pretty much write everything down, and this is where I just write everything down because I love this tool. And so now, as I just said that I'm going to tell you guys about what is QR code and how you can use QR code inside your business and how you can use them and what can work and what cannot. So right now we're here where I wrote everything down, and what I want to just phrase now a little bit is that you need to understand first that what is a QR code, because we cannot just say, oh, now let me tell you about dynamics, let me tell you about statistics QR code, but we need to first understand the meaning of what is a QR code. So once we understand that, we get to where this whole thing gets to be powerful more. But now let's just understand what is a QR code means. So out of something like this, that a QR code is a system that holds tons of information, whether your business information, it could be maybe your business promotion, catalogs, menu, or products prices. So for me, that's the whole meaning that it means for me what is a QR code. But you can, but a lot of people we just have their own meaning. But for me, this is my own meaning to understand what is a QR code really mean, and it's really helpful for me to understand this way because it's simple and it doesn't have a lot of words that you read maybe for like 5 to 10 minutes, but this just took me a second to read because it's the simplest way to explain what is a QR code actually means for people who just don't know what is a QR code, and for people who thought they know what is a QR code but just don't know what is. Okay, now let's get to the second step of how you can use a QR code inside your business. And to use a QR code inside your business, there are tons of ways you can use a QR code inside your business. But here I wrote my best ways that I can use a QR code inside my business or inside your business. Like that, I suggest you can take this down and use them inside your business. So use them for WhatsApp, ordering, or social media. Like what I mean by that is that you can use a QR code by just letting people to scan your QR code if you don't want to just do a lot of things like websites or whatever, but to create a landing page, and then the landing page will just send people to your WhatsApp ordering. And simple as that. It's just simple, and maybe someday I'll show you exactly how I do that in simple steps because this is no confusion, no hype, but real things that really works. You can even create a sign up QR code where people will just sign up with and fill their names, emails, numbers so that you can just send them new arrival things or prices that dropped last week or whatever just today. So yeah man, you can use a QR code inside your business for that, and there's a lot of ways that you can use a QR code in your business. Maybe just like if you have like different things that you sell in your business. Maybe you're selling like and what maybe you're selling like a lot of things. You can use a QR code for those things also. But for now, let's just go to the third step. It's simple. I didn't want to make this video long because I knew that I'll make this short and I'll make this understandable to you guys. So now there are two types of QR code that you need to understand, and these two types of QR code works differently. Each one works in their own way. And now we're going to just explain one each how it works and what it holds and how you can just use them. So now let's just get to the first one. The static QR code, it's fixed, no changes. the problem with this, no, there's no problem, but like this one, the static QR code can, the link or data inside cannot be editable, cannot be edited after the QR code is created. So that's why it's simple, fast, and free. No cracking, no analytics. So this one, let me just, I wrote even example uses for this, how you can use them. You can use this for restaurants, price list, Wi-Fi, password, phone number, or business card. If you just want something simple and fast, you can use a static QR code so that you can, so that if you don't want to just understand both of them, or if you don't want to just use the other one, you can use this. But the best one that I prefer is the one that I'm going to explain it to you right now. It has everything that you need to know, and let's just go and explain about it. So this one is a dynamic QR code. It's editable and trackable. You can change your destination. You can change your destination link anytime without making a new QR code. You can get analytics, scans, location, device types, etc. People, where they from, where, what time and date. You can just get that in the dynamic QR code. Usually require creating an account, because without an account you cannot create a dynamic QR code, but you can create a static QR code. So for me, I prefer this dynamic QR code because you can change your destination link anytime without making a new QR code. You can even get in analytics. You can do a lot of things. Scans, you can see scans, locations, device. We can even see the data and time. And let's see the example. So the example that I wrote is for this QR code is for promotions. If you have like promotions in your business, you can use this. And for Bentley cracking link. So in one of my videos, I talked about how Bentley works, and then I made a video how I can create a long message link that you have for your WhatsApp or for your Facebook or whatever social media that is so long, but with Bentley you can shorten it within just minutes. And I've showed that in one of my videos that how you can create a short link, and Bentley can track everything, your scans, location, devices. Now you can even create a WhatsApp automation if you don't want to just type every time when people say how much is this. Time when someone scans your QR code and land to your WhatsApp, you can use a dynamic QR code for automation. What's for WhatsApp automation if you don't want to just to do everything by yourself, but let AI to do it for you. And you can even create for sign up forms. You can create different QR codes. You can create a QR code for promotion, a QR code for Bentley links, for WhatsApp automation, and sign up forms. You can create a lot of QR codes but with just one account, and you can create like tons of them. And for sign up forms where people will just fill out their names, numbers, and emails. Any campaign that changes over time. If your business changes over time, if you this this summer in summer you sell like things that people wear in summer, but in winter you said different things. You can use a dynamic QR code because it can change every now and then. You can change it. And yeah, guys, and that's all I wanted to say. But I added something that will make you understand this a little bit more if you don't understand everything here. But I've just made like two, what is a QR code, what is a static QR code, and dynamic QR code. So a static QR code is good for permanent thing. If you don't want to change anything, if your business sell one thing, you can use a static QR code permanently because it doesn't change. But if you change some every now and then, you can use a dynamic QR code because dynamic QR code is perfect for marketing campaign. You can change it every time. You can change this and that. So guys, I hope that this video really makes some sense, and I hope that I just explain this in a good way that you guys understand. And yeah, I hope this video really makes some sense. If it does, you know what to do. Like the video, leave the comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscription thing bar below. And for now, I knew that I wanted to make this video short, and that's what I do. And for now, I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.